Hi, it's Frank Lehane at Wellspring Wealth Coaching, LLC. I want to thank you for joining me on this audio. If you're listening to this audio, chances are you're ready to discover a whole other way of investing you haven't heard of yet, and you'd really love to change your investment strategy for stress-free investing. If this sounds like you are definitely in the right place. I want to thank you for listening to this audio because there are many choices in how to solve the problem of investing. So to show you some appreciation, I have a few gifts for you. The first gift is a downloadable ebook of Mark Matson's Investor Awareness Guide. Now, if you don't know who Mark Matson is, he's the financial advisor who has his own TV show called Matson Money. This ebook is a 22-page, comprehensive, yet simple guide to stress-free investing with great content and high value. I highly recommend it. Even as a seasoned financial advisor, I was able to gain tremendous insight. You definitely don't want to miss this one. All you have to do to receive your copy is get to the end of Lesson 7 and follow the download instructions. The second gift is my free email newsletter that comes once a month. Okay, so here is the 7-part mini-series you requested entitled Investor Health Lessons. 7 free lessons on how to invest stress-free that even the guru brokers don't know or won't tell you. Before we begin, let's get organized. Do you have your 3-ring binder? Did you print out the lessons? Are you ready with your notepad? So if you have a question at any time, you can write it down and shoot me an email at frank@franklahane.com, and I'd be happy to answer that. Okay, so a little housekeeping first. Before we get on to the lesson, allow me to read our disclaimer. Wellspring Wealth Coaching, LLC is a California registered investment advisor registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. All materials presented are intended for informational purposes only and not as investment advice or as an offer or solicitation to buy or sell any investment products or securities. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Investing involves risk, potential tax implications, and the possibility of financial loss. Investment risk is the responsibility of the individual. Now, on to the lesson. Can you believe it? We're already to day 5. This is actually one of my favorite topics. The idea that investors can create a financial GPS is very appealing to me, and it should be very appealing to you. Before, when a client was feeling the pressure of a down market or even the drug-like euphoria of an up market, the only recourse for investors in a down market was to move to cash. No one was thinking about a dashboard or a roadmap of sorts to assist a person with whether or not they should move to this or that investment. In an up or bull market, the investor is vulnerable to buying high only to sell low once the markets retreat. This maddening cycle was seen as just the way it is in the world of investing based on smarts, luck, or someone's supposed skill. When I changed the way I did business, I realized that I now had the real capability to help investors know what they were investing in, and more importantly, why they were investing in it. So, needless to say, I can't wait to share this next investor lesson with you. So let's begin. Stress-free investors have a financial GPS. Not having an investment philosophy would be like driving from Boston to San Francisco without a roadmap of how to even get there. When was the last time you and your planner or advisor discussed your investment philosophy? If your response was, "What's an investment philosophy?" You're not alone. An investment philosophy, or what I call a personal financial GPS, is a specialized mindset-based document that people have concerning money and finances. And we all know how not having the right mindset can impact us negatively. It's very important to remove the blockages that get in the way of successful financial planning. A personal financial GPS will keep you on track as to what you're investing in and why you're invested in it. Your personal financial GPS reminds you of what was originally important to you in accomplishing specific goals and dreams when you started losing your way, When you started getting bombarded by fears, anxieties, and media prognosticators predicting doom and gloom, your financial GPS will steady you and help you stay on course towards getting where you wanted to get as efficiently as possible. I think of Stephen Covey from his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, when he talks about the guy who climbs the tallest tree and yells out, "Wrong jungle!" A financial global positioning satellite will help you know where you are and where you're going, so you don't have to be that guy yelling out, "Wrong jungle!" only to have the hostiles picking their teeth with your bones. Here's the lesson key. Create a financial GPS to help you stay on track and foster stress-free investor behaviors. Here's an important tip for you. Get an independent investment cost analysis done and ask what your investing pattern is. Just knowing your investment pattern will clue you in to how you think about investing. For more information on how to develop your own personal financial GPS, you can sign up for my Inner Circle membership. And as always, if you have any questions, shoot me an email at frank@franklahane.com. Now, on to day 6, entitled Misunderstood Expectations Lead to Breakdowns. See you on day 6.